and welcome to Chicky Richa Cooking's Fruit Bowl Smoothie, and we're making it in the Vitamix 3500. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, but as you can see, you can put anything out of your fruit bowl in it. We've even snuck in a couple of fresh leaves out of our spinach garden. The first thing you're going to have to do is to prepare all of your fruit. And if you're sick of the kids bringing home their fruit in their lunch boxes all damaged and bruised and you can't even use it to cook with, they might not eat the fruit at school, but they will drink it. So if you can put as much nutrition into your children without them really realizing it, you're on the way to being a good carer and provider for your family. Now this is just 100% fruit with the addition of only 1 cup of ice, and that's to keep it chilled. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our fruit. Okay, to our Vitamix jug we're going to add some ice. We're going to add some passion fruit juice. We've just removed all of the seeds from that. In with our spinach. We're going to add the juice of a lime off our tree. I'm using a lemon juicer at the moment. I have got a lime juicer, but that's more washing up. If you want to do 2 at once, it will actually squeeze it quite easily and remove all of the juice from that lime and the seeds. In with some lemon now, because really this is quite a sweet smoothie with the bananas and the strawberries and whatnot. No dairy, okay? No dairy, no eggs. This is a lemon off our tree as well. And that's going to provide sweetness, it's going to provide vitamin C, and it'll cut through the sweetness as well. Spinach, bananas, apples, oranges, kiwi fruit, grapes, pears, strawberries, and blueberries. Okay, now that is a great big jugful, but it will mush down, and the juice in the bottom is going to provide the amount of liquid that you're going to need to mush it down. Okay. 50 seconds in the Vitamix and you're on your way to making a gorgeous smoothie. Okay, you can see all of our fruit in our jug right to the very brim. We're just going to press our button that indicates it's a smoothie, and then okay, 50 seconds later, and this is what you should have. Now don't forget, you can put pineapple, you can put watermelon, anything you like in this, but this is just so thick and rich and creamy. It's just pure fruit. You could freeze it and make it into ice blocks if you wanted to, and it makes a great big jug full and a glass besides. Cleaning up is an absolute breeze. It's 100% pulp in there, nothing is wasted, and you just rinse it out under running water with a little bit of dish soap in it, and that's all you have to do. And there you have it, Chicky Richa Cooking's Fruit Bowl Smoothie. Okay, have a little taste, shall we? We're going to need a spoon. You can see how thick that is. I guarantee this won't come home in a lunchbox. So fresh and sweet. Absolutely delicious and extremely healthy. Thanks for watching.